So, eto na yung noodles. So, kahapon, nag-pan fry ako ng chicken. Pinakuluan ko siya ng 3 beses. Pinakuluan ko, tinapon ko yung sabaw. Pinakuluan ko, tinapon ko yung sabaw. 3 times para hindi malansa. Tapos, eto na yung pang-apat na kulo. Hindi ko tinapon yung soup niya. Nilagay ko lang siya sa fridge after. So, may isa pang chicken. Hindi ko siya hiniwa-hiwa. Ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko lang ng frozen na vegetables. Lagi kasi akong may frozen vegetables. Para hindi na naghihiwa, tsaka para sure na kumakain ng gulay yung mga bata. So, ayan. Pansit siya talaga dapat. Kaya lang, hindi ko na, ito yung chicken, hindi ko na measure out yung, yung ano. Pinakita ko naman sa mga bata, sabi nila, wow, gusto nila. So, okay na to kasi tamang-tama, napakalamig. Nag-i-snow na naman sa labas. Kain tayo. Yan. Tapos, itong manok ay himay-himayin ko na lang.
No, that's too much.
Kayo, ganun din pa ginagawa nyo sa manok. Pinapakuluan nyo, tapos tinatapon nyo. Yung sabaw sa... Ako 3 kulo mismo. Kasi yung nanay ko nun maano sa pagluluto eh. Oh, malansa, hindi masarap to. Ganito gawin mo. Lagi ako nakakatikim ng earful. Kapag hindi maayos yung pagkakaluto. Siyempre, natututo pa lang, 'di ba? At eto na nga, hindi man ako magaling magluto, at least natuto ako kung paano maging maayos ang pagluluto ko dahil sa nanay ko. Thank you, Nay! Gusto niyo makita yung ginagawa ng kambal? Ayan. Pinag-aaralan nila yung wifi. Ayun naman si Kuko. Si Kuko hindi niya inubos yung pagkain niya. Tinitignan ni Kuko yung wifi. Boys, let's eat. Boys, let's go.
I'll have it. I'll have it. So basically chicken noodles.
Nag-toast din ako ng cinnamon. Init. Wait. Here. Nag-toast ako ng cinnamon because na-request ni Lance tsaka ni Lincoln.
It is chicken noodle soup.
Honey, I'll show you how to use salt, okay? Because salt is like, you just need a little for it, and it goes really a long way compared to sugar. So grab a pinch of salt, a pinch, and then put it on your food. That's very little, that's not a pinch. So 2 more, like a little bit, like see what I grab? Like that. A little bit. Okay, or you either try it first. So that's how you use salt. You just get a little, you try, you get a little, you try, okay?
Okay.
So nag-request sila maggawa pa ako ng
You don't want me to get stomach ache.
maraming cinnamon.
So basically, so when you get a Pikmin, a new Pikmin, if it doesn't have a decor, favorite it. And now when you tap your whistle, you may have noticed that there will be a bar showing up that now says favorite.
Nasa?
Favorite. Favorite.
Oh.
Feed that batch of Pikmin 5 times. Alright, then rinse and repeat for the other batch until there's no complete batch. There's no batch that you cannot you cannot do any more full batches. And for every batch you finish, you can get lost of the core. Because you feed a Pikmin that doesn't have the core, so it needs the core.
I like the cork Pikmin, they're really cool.
Yep.
How about you? Thank you.
And mommy, this would be really helpful. Because did you know?
Yeah.
Once you do enough stuff with the core Pikmin, with common decor Pikmin like restaurants, and have off the decor Pikmin of that type, you can get you can choose one of those Pikmin to become a rare decor Pikmin.
That's cool.
How do you choose? So you can choose the rare present to be any of the decor you want it to be.
Boys, after you eat, check your double deck, your bunk bed,
Uh-huh.
and take away anything that's move away things that is super close to the window or wall.
Why?
They're gonna get
Especially the wool blanket.
they're gonna get soap, moisture. How many day was community day if it ended yesterday?
2 days.
Is it,
Community days, 2 days long, and you missed all.
has it always been only 2 days?
Yeah. While while Pokemon Go only lasts for around 6 hours.
Oh yeah?
Mhm.
Then Pikmin. I like Pikmin.
This is probably to attract more Pikmin bloomers.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Because Pikmin is way newer, right?
Yeah. In fact, in November it had its 4th anniversary.
Uh-huh.
No,
So-
it's on October. Oh. On October, Pikmin. On this October. On on the next October, it's gonna have its anniversary.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Corn and beans. Just a little.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna grow up to be super healthy. Healthy. Yeah, see? Now you're becoming super healthy. Oops, sorry. Get that, Lance, the chicken. They want on the table. Get it, please. Lance, get the chicken.
Oh, that's mine. Aww, I bit it.
How many years is Pikmin now? Do you know?
4,
And how many
probably
years?
4.5.
How many years is Pokemon Go?
I do not know, but I think it was around when we were born.
Mm-hmm. I wonder what year Antigen got into Pokemon.
I don't know. Maybe she had a friend that was. The reason why I was in Pokemon Pikmin is mainly because I like Pikmin as the franchise.
You should ask Antigen to make a group for us for the family, because you cannot join you can join Robertson, but it's gonna be too much because grandma usually asks for things and then it's gonna be filled up with their conversation. But if there's a certain group that Lance, Lincoln, GMGP, Antigen, and me and Mushi, we're all gonna know it, like, oh, this conversation is like for Lance and Lincoln. So grandma will not send grocery conversation there, or their some adult conversation.
So like another group chat for
Mhm.
only Lincoln to send.
Example, you got something going on in school, something awesome you want to share to the family, you can share it directly. How's the noodle soup?
Very good.
Thumbs
It's
up?
hot. It's
Give
hot.
a thumbs up if it's
It's
a
like
thumbs up.
chicken noodle. It's hot too.
It's still hot.
Yeah. Because it's soup.
Uh-huh.
To be honest, it doesn't taste like ramen.
I'm glad you like it. You want more chicken, Lance? You want bacon for supper? What do you think? Is bacon a good idea?
No.
No.
The reason being,
Mhm.
the game I played will be pissed at me
Okay.
because I eat bacon.
Mm.
And the whole point of it is to help pigs.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll remember that.
About to eat them. But who cares? I still like bacon. So
Let's make a vote. Oh, what time is it?
already. Oh no, I think the bad piggies heard that.
Let's make a vote. Who wants bacon for supper? Or lunch? Okay. Who wants to make bannock?
I want to tomorrow. What?
It made me jump.
What?
His bowl almost fell.
No. 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 No.
Cookie, you want this cookie? Oh, chicken. Come on. Three, two, one, go.
Also, I mean, you really know that this is another time. That is treated.
Okay, another one.
Okay, now we're gonna help Lance do this.
No.
So we get done and over with this chess thing. Katatapos lang namin maglaro ng Boggle ni Lincoln. Actually, nakatatlong round pa kami. Tapos, maraming big words nung third round. Maraming big words na nakuha na si Lincoln. At ipakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang ginagawa ng baby. Ayan ang baby. Yung nakikita nyo sa bintana, ayun, kasi nagkakaroon kanina ng tulo yung moisture. So nagdala ako ng mga extra na mga damit na hindi na ginagamit para gawing basahan. Sarap naman ang tulog ng baby. Uy, sarap ng tulog ng baby, oh. Himbing ang tulog niya. Wow. Himbing ang tulog ng baby.
Mommy. Okay.
So, eto uli ang aming gawa.
No, it's I'm in the
Gumagawa.
mix, okay? I'm in the mix, okay?
Gumagawa uli kami nito.
No, can mix these two? Sure.
So, sa mga hindi nakapanood ng vlog kahapon, eto yung chess pieces na ginagawa ni Lance. What do you call that game, Lance?
Sovereign chess.
Sovereign chess. So, sovereign chess, natuklasan ni Lance na meron palang
It's
ganong
similar to
game.
chess, except there's a larger board and other.
Talk slowly.
So sovereign chess is a chess variant where you have your own army plus neutral armies at the side of the board, And what you gotta do is to put your pieces on that color, and now you can control that army
The
But
same color.
with the same color. But beware, if the enemy's pieces take over that thing, those pieces will not be against you.
So yun, ang sabi ni Lance, sa mga hindi po nakapanood ng vlog, panoorin nyo po. Yun, imbis na bumili siya ng chess, total marami naman siya nitong air clay, gagawa na lang siya ng chess pieces at gagawa na lang siya ng board. Kasi si Lance at si Lincoln, meron silang pera nila para kung anong gusto nilang bilihin at pinag-iisipan talaga nila bago nila gastusin yung pera nila. Lalo na si Lincoln, hindi niya basta-basta. I think that's a good color for gray, Lincoln.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
gotta keep on mixing it so it doesn't look
Do you want me to
marbled.
do it so you can continue that?
No.
You want to
Is
do
this
that?
good?
For what?
It's just pink.
For another set of gray?
Yeah.
It's almost black.
Yeah.
So you did not listen to Lincoln. It's really black. Do you have white? Or no more?
No more.
Ang sabi sa kanya ni Lance, pag nag-mix ng kulay, paunti-unti lang. Hindi siya nakinig kay Lincoln. Where's your black, hon? I want to see the other pieces for black. Maybe this is not too black. Kahapon pala,
Look, see?
no, there's no black pieces for this game?
There's black and white pieces, but I can use the standard pieces we already have.
No, what I'm saying is for Sovereign Chess, are there black pieces?
Yeah, there's totally
Have you
black.
made them?
No.
Where's the
I'm not gonna make them because we already have them.
Okay.
We have two
So
chess
we
sets,
won't
so I
get
can just
confused.
spare.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's fine.
Well, is this light gray?
Can I see?
So anyways,
Yeah, that would be like.
kahapon ay ngayon ay
see?
March 17, Tuesday.
Can I
See, Lance, I told you.
Ngayon ay March 17, Tuesday, 2026. Kahapon ay March 16 at kahapon Lunes naggawa kami ng banok. So yung banok ay campfire roasted bread. So kung sa Pilipinas kapag nagpaapoy kayo, halimbawa nag-decide kayo ang gagamitin yung pangluto yung apoy, try nyo po yung banok. Ano siya, kagulat-gulat.
Oh, let's see what the edges are.
Ang sarap niya. Oh, it's
Oh,
locked.
the
Ang sarap
corners
niya.
are two of each color.
So, kaya ko lang nalaman yung banok dahil sa dalawa kong anak. So, dati, ang niro-roast lang namin sa campfire, marshmallow, yun lang. At dahil nagpupunta sila, nagka-camping sila sa scouts, yun, natutunan nila yung banok. First time nilang actually, it's their very first time to make banok in scouts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sa scouts, nung gumawa sila ng banok, pinahanap sila ng stick sa wilderness. At yun yung pinakaginamit nilang stick. Si Lincoln, ginawa niya kung paano niya ginawa sa scouts. Super fun siya. Alam nyo, kung mag-camping kayo, o kahit, yun nga nasabi ko, apoy ang gagamitin yung pangluto, itry nyo yung banok. Kasi, lahat naman, for sure, no? Kung di naman lahat, mura lang ang arena. Arena lang siya, baking powder, asin, asukal, mantika, tubig. Paghalu-haluin mo lang. Tapos sa stick, parang i-spiral mo lang siyang gagawin. Para sa akin, mentras manipis, mas masarap. Sa mga bata naman, gusto nila yung mataba-taba. Yun. Ang sarap niya, kakaiba yung sarap niya. Try nyo po. Napakasarap. Banok. Roasted campfire bread. Try nyo na. So, either mantika ang gamitin nyo, mantika, mantikilya, lard, maaari siyang gawin. Sobrang nagulat talaga ako. So, speaking of scouts, yun ang isa sa mga bagay na gusto ko, kaya namin sinisend yung mga bata sa scouts. Kasi pag nagka-camping sila, 3 days, hindi nila kami kasama, dun sila natutulog. natututo sila kung papaano makihalubilo sa ibang tao nang hindi kami kasama. Natututo sila
What?
paano
Light
magdesisyon.
gray.
'Di ba? Although sa eskwelahan, nagagawa din naman yon. Pero sa scouts kasi kakaibang experience. Ando doon yung magluluto sila ng pagkain nila, hihiwain nila yung sarili nilang pagkain. Pagkatapos, sila mismo yung gagamit ng kutsilyo, sila mismo yung magpe-prepare ng pagkain, sila mismo yung maghuhugas ng plato, sila yung maglilinis ng kusina, maglilinis ng CR, sila yung gagawa ng bedding nila, magpapalakol ng kahoy, mag-hiking sila, ituturo sa kanila yung mga halamang poisonous, yung mga about sa animals, ituturo sa kanila sa environment. Tapos, ang sa akin, ang pinakamaganda pa sa scouts, yung halimbawa, isang gabi, no, natulog ka na, hindi ka na komportable. Kasi wala ka naman sa bahay mo di ba? Andyan yung may araw sila na matulog lang sa tent, matulog sa Adirondacks, walang talagang comfort. So, dun mo makikilala yung sarili mo at mapapagtibay mo yung sarili mo. Di ba gano'n naman, kapag kalma lang, okay lang tayo, di ba? Tapos, it brings out the best of us. Sometimes it breaks us kapag humaharap tayo sa matinding trials. Parang great example, yung pandemic. Di ba? Some of us, it breaks us because ang dami nating hinaharap masyado ng pagsubok. Pero some of us, during pandemic, ang dami nating natutunan. May natutong mag-paint, renovation ng bahay, may mga business na nabuo, may yung mga instant business na pagkain, na service during pandemic. 'Di ba? So ganon ang gusto ko sa scouts. It will bring out the best in you. Kasi wala ka sa bahay, out ka ng comfort zone mo. It will also bring out the worst in you. Pero pag na-bring out niya yung worst of you, may time ka na mag-reflect kung ano yung nangyari. Pag sinusundo namin yung mga bata sa camping nila sa scouts, sabihin nila yung worst tsaka yung best. Tapos tatanungin namin sila, o minsan sila na mismo yung nagpapaliwanag kung bakit nangyari yung hindi magandang sitwasyon na yon. At nagkakaroon sila ng realization. 'Di ba? Ganon din tayong mga adult na tulad nating mga parents o kahit sino mga adult dyan na lumalaki. Ang dami nating worst situation na pinagdaanan, 'di ba? Na natututo tayo, ganun pala, kaya pala nangyari yun. So next time hindi ko na to gagawin. So yun ang gusto ko sa scouts. At ayan ang aking kwento. Si Cookie wala siyang masyadong kwento ba kasi mas gusto niya matulog. Alam niyo ba kagabi, ikakwento, gusto ni Lance gumawa na ako nito. Sige, nagagawin ko na itong pinapagawa ni Lance. Yeah.
Can you please do this now?
Okay. Sabi ni Lance. So, ilalagay ko to dito para makita nyo yung ginagawa ko. Hi guys, for today we're gonna make pieces for sovereign chest. Let's get started.
So, mommy,
Yeah.
instead of making 4 pawns and one of every other piece, instead, you make 2 knights, 2 bishops, 2 rooks, 2 queens, and 1.
So what will I make right now? 4 pawns?
Nope.
What?
With the light gray, they're a little bit more advanced.
Okay, what should I make?
You should make 2 bishops,
Okay, 2 bishops.
2 knights,
Okay.
or horses, as you'd like to call
Okay.
them, 2 rooks,
Okay.
2 queens,
Okay.
and a king.
Okay. Yan.
And also, if you're wondering why were you building kings, you have the in the beginning of your turn, you have the option to use your turn to switch the color of your king. Yeah, but what does that benefit you? You control that army. You can permanently control that army. Oh. But what if your opponent controls it? Then you can't switch it to that. Say if it's neutral.
So, kagabi pala, Lunes ng gabi, sinabi ko sa ate ko, ipag-pray nila kami kasi yung snowstorm ay may halong wind. Ang pag dito po, kapag ka nag-windstorm, isipin nyo na lang yung tornado. Ganon siya kalala, matindi siya. Wala nang tigil sa kakahampas. Yung hangin talaga matinding matindi. At, sabi ng ate ko, ba't hindi na lang kayo magpasundo kay Colin?
Your mommy did like this. Wants to deal like this.
May snowstorm din.
Okay, that's a good queen.
May snowstorm din sa kasalukuyan
Yeah, but I don't have enough.
kung saan
for the
kami
kid.
nakatira. At sobrang delikado ibiyahe. Yon. Kasi sa balita, may mga part na nagkaroon ng brownout. So, yun lang talaga ang hinihiling ko kagabi, wag mag-brown out.
The package.
So, sa awa ng Diyos
Now, try
talaga,
to open it again.
sa awa ng Diyos,
Okay.
nakatulog kaming mag-iina ng maayos. Salamat sa panalangin. At Tenay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panalangin at nakatulog talaga kami ng maayos. So, kahit matindi talaga yung hampas ng hangin talaga kagahapon, wala na talagang tigil. Pati alam ko na ang gagawin ko kapag ka nagka-power outage, kasi naranasan na namin yon in the past. Susuot kami yung may 3 kaming sleeping bag dito. So, susuot kami, si Lance, bibigay ko sa kanya isang sleeping bag, susuot siya doon. Ganon din si Lincoln. Kung sa mga iba po na hindi pa nagka-camping o kung ano yung sleeping bag, isipin nyo na lang, kumot siya, pero makapal, tapos masi-zipper mo siya. Iba-ibang uri siya. May uri na ang lalabas lang yung ganito, yung pang military. Tapos meron naman na hanggang dito lang siya. At iba-iba din ang temperature grade. Merong fall, meron ding winter. Yung sleeping bag namin ay -10. Mentras tumataas ang negative ng sleeping bag ay pamahal ng pamahal. So, nag-range, kapag pumunta na siya ng negative, yung sleeping bag mo ay kaya ng mag-negative, ang pinakamababang price. Nung huli namin siyang binili, nasa mahigit $100. Yan. Syempre, dagdagan natin ng tax. Kasi lahat naman may tax, diba?
Pawns.
Yun.
Pawns can.
It looks like a dinosaur now.
Also, Lincoln,
The
the
head
pawn
is...
can promote to king. How can it promote to both genders at the same time?
Mukha ba itong knight sa inyo?
Ay,
O
yo,
horse?
don't talk about that.
Mukha siyang dinosaur.
You mean
Alam
right?
niyo yung dinosaur na mahaba yung leeg. So,
But when the pawn promotes to a king, you have to remove your other king.
ito na yung horse ko.
So it just removes it. So
Ito na yung
basically,
horse.
it's a king teleportation device.
Lagyan natin ng mata.
It doesn't look like a horse.
It does.
Yeah, but mouth is wide open. Wait.
So, yun. Naging maayos naman po ang pagtulog namin kagabi sa awa ng Diyos. Yun. Si Cookie, nakatulog din siya ng tuloy-tuloy kasi nung first night namin na kami lang nung linggo, hindi talaga, katulad ko siya, hindi rin nakatulog. Tayo siya ng tayo, punta sa may pintuan, tinitignan niya kung ano na yung nangyari. Siguro iniisip niya nasaan yung daddy niya. Yun.
There, no more dinosaur.
Anyways, yun nga, hindi rin kami masusundo ni Mushi rito. Hindi ko papayagang sunduin niya kami kasi susuungin niya yung matinding winter storm na may windstorm. Kasi yun yung naranasan namin papunta dito. Sobrang grabing delikado siya. At ipagpatuloy ko na ang paggawa nito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nagawa na. So, ito yung mga nagawa na. Pakita natin. Para talaga kaming factory dito, no? Piece rate. Piece rate na factory. Yan. Excited na si Lance. Gusto niya na talagang malaro tong sovereign chess. Nag-move na yung baby doon. Yan na siya. Dun.
Oh yeah, Lance, I forgot the ring around him.
Oh, you can.
Why are you opening it? Oh, you can't see very well? Then Lance, just open the screen door. lumabas ako para mag-CR. May CR sa RV namin. Ayoko lang siyang mapuno agad-agad. So, tapos may nakita akong cardinal. Yung cardinal na yon, red bird siya. Nakita na namin siya kaninang umaga ni Lance. Nagpakita na siya. Pagkatapos, ewan ko kung kailan yon. Ay, huwag kayo mag-away. Maraming ano rito, buto. Ayun sila, oh. Yun, hindi ko alam ilang taon na nakakalipas. Sabi ng kapitbahay namin, pag nakakita ka ng cardinal, mag-wish ka because it's passing luck. Tapos yun, so nandito ako paglabas ko, nakita ko yung cardinal. Dito lang siya kung saan tong mga ibon na to. Tapos nag-wish ako. Tapos etong, hindi ko alam kung sino sa kanila, lumapit sa akin, nagugutom siguro. Nilagay ko yung kamay ko, dumapo kahit walang pagkain. So dali-dali, naglabas ako ng pagkain. Kahapon naglabas ako ng maraming pagkain. Itong squirrel na to, kinain ng kinain. 4 na squirrel kinain nila yung yung mga butong nilabas ko. Sabi nila, gutom na gutom kasi yung mga squirrel kasi katatapos lang nilang mag-hibernate. Tapos yung tumawag ako kay Moshi, kinuwento ko rin. Yun nga, ang marami bandang huli, nung tapos na kumain yung squirrel, naglabasa na yung ibang ibon, pati yung redhead woodpecker, lumabas din sila. Yun sabi din ni Moshi, gutom kasi tong mga squirrel na to kasi katatapos lang nila mag-hibernate. Naninigas na ako sa lamig, nilalamig ako. Lumapit na kayo dito. Naku, dumadami na sila. Dapat pala nag-gloves ako. Yung ibon na yun, hindi mahiyain.